Hey, maybe you've been hearing about the vibe coding with AI Studio and GoHighLevel. Today I'm going to try to recreate a golf cart software tool that I built probably about over 10 years ago using vibe coding in AI Studio. So stay tuned, follow along here. We'll see what it can do. All right, so the first thing, if you don't have it enabled in your GoHighLevel account, the AI Studio, you want to come down to Settings, and then you're going to go to Labs, and then you're going to type in AI Studio. And here, just toggle it on, and then you'll be good to go. All right, so we're going to go back into AI Studio here, and I already went ahead and kind of going to show you what I did here, so this video doesn't get super long. But went ahead and I tried to create, and this is what I built so far, but I tried to create a software tool here that I built a while back. You can kind of see here the golf cart software. You can change the colors, rims, that type of stuff. This is just a demo, so it doesn't have all the stuff enabled, but I was going to try to create something similar to this. Could you do that with AI Studio? And so what I did is I created a prompt first in ChatGPT. So I came in here and said, hey, can you create a web app like this site here? Put the link in. Lets their customers build a custom golf cart visually, and they can get pricing on their parts, and then it'll spit out through the contact form. It'll send an email to the golf cart dealer and to the lead. So this is what it gave me for information here. I'm not going to read through all of it, but basically it's thinking through, and it says it can do it. And then I said, go ahead. And then I said, create a prompt. And this is the prompt it gave me. So what I did is I just copy and pasted this really long prompt here. You can see it's pretty long. And then I went back into, I'll back up here so you can kind of see. So I went in here and I pasted this prompt right in here. And then what it did is it opened up this page. I'll show you. And so here's the prompt that I put in. And then it started thinking, and it probably took, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes to create all this, what you're seeing right here. And just a second here. So it went through and it created 38 different tools, which is quite a bit here. And then it says what it did, and then the show I went through all this. You can preview it. One thing that I did notice when I came back into ChatGPT, it was saying another prompt I should put. Just try to make it one golf cart model, because if you'll see in this example, go back here. In this example, there's a lot of different golf cart models here, so I should just do one, because it did get a little confused, as you'll see here. So if we go into this and we hit preview, then you go start build. It didn't bring in the right images for things, which I'm not worried about. I just wanted to kind of see what it could do. And again, it created this whole website in about 10 to 20 minutes after I prompted a few times. And so the idea is that you could come in here, and the missing piece that it could not figure out is I need to upload all the images, which I do have that are already created, individual images that would make up this golf cart. So then when they actually selected it, it would then put that color change or whatnot. So today I'm just showing you that it built this pretty quickly. It takes you through all these steps. You click. So as a user, they could actually build their custom golf cart. Let's click through a bunch of items here. And it's going to take to what that looks like, what items they selected, how much the cost, and then they can put in their information, and then they can send this to the dealer. And what this would do then is it would connect with the forms and the workflows that are in GoHighLevel, and it would automate some of this stuff back to the dealer and to the user. So it's pretty cool, all these things that you can do here. But the missing piece that I found was that it could not create the graphics. So it's, as we can see, if you've used this before, it makes decent websites in a matter of minutes. And the functionality So the next thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to tie this in with the images, and I'll have to connect the database that I have where all these images are, and then see if it can actually, in the vibe coding, connect that database and then build out the preview here. And you can actually, it'd be a functioning golf cart builder. So when I actually select this, it actually change out the colors. So that's the next step. If you like this type of video and want to see more of the AI Studio and how you can build custom websites and programs and different things like this in web apps, like below, leave a comment what you want to see, and we'll go into that in the next video. Thanks for your time. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.